Hey everyone, welcome back to the ultimate smart home series sponsored by Amazon and Philips Hue. I'm Justin Tech and this is my friend. No smart home is complete without an AI, and we chose because Amazon continues to introduce new and unique Echo devices, not to mention all the smart home tech with built-in compatibility. We have so many of them, you'd honestly think I'm obsessed with JK, unless. In this series, I've explored the systems and command centers we're using to create an automated and intuitive home. In today's episode, I want to show you how we're using to connect those systems simply by using your voice. Alexa. I'll also show you how to use the app to connect your devices and create sophisticated yet super simple routines. By the end of this video, you'll be able to go and create a bunch of routines of your own. And don't worry, if you see a device you like, I've placed links to everything in the description below. Without further ado, let's start. Oh wait, play my intro graphic.
Okay.
Attention, we will be referring to Alexa throughout the series. So if you or a loved one are around an Echo or Alexa-enabled device watching this, you might want to turn off the microphone for the episode. Thank you, and enjoy.
There is so much more to Alexa than meets the eye. Of course, you can ask for what the weather is or for a good recipe, but you can also use Alexa as the main hub for your smart home when you have connected devices. The Alexa app gives you incredible control so you can create routines and automations around your home. First, you'll need to connect your smart tech to Alexa. You might need to connect your smart device via a third-party skill, but Amazon has also created a program called Certified for Humans that's made the smart home super simple.
Certified for Humans is a certification program for Alexa-compatible devices that helps customers easily connect their smart home tech with Amazon's frustration-free setup technology. It allows you to just plug in a device, and voila! It's automatically discovered by Alexa. These devices include smart bulbs and small appliances
from brands like Philips Hue, Hamilton Beach, and Amazon. Some of the devices I'll show you were connected via their skill. Many of these skills are connecting the hubs and brains I showed you from episode 1 to Alexa. Once these skills are linked, you'll need to discover devices. Now here's the fun part, routines. Routines allow you to program Alexa to respond, react, and direct your smart home technology. These routines can trigger or be triggered lots of different ways. The first way is if a device is activated, like
a Ring door sensor.
So if someone comes home past curfew, let's say between 1 and 6 a.m.,
the routine is triggered.
Max, you're home past curfew. You're grounded, mister.
Your kids are gonna hate you, but you're gonna love it. You can also set up your automations that begin after you tell Alexa a phrase, like this one.
Alexa, wake up Justin.
Justin, get out of bed. It's late.
Toby!
Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty and show you how to use the Alexa app to program routines in Smart Home 103. Hey kids, welcome back to class. I'm your hunky but not without humility teacher, Mr. Tech. I know I usually say no phones allowed, Daniel, but today you're going to need them. Okay, phones ready? Let's build a routine.
To access routines, head over to the menu. Then tap the plus sign to create a new routine. Next, you'll name your routine and create the rules for it. As you saw before, there needs to be a trigger, a when this happens. Earlier, we used our Ring door sensor and a personalized voice command as a trigger. But there are a bunch of others as well. Here are a few. You can schedule a time for the routine to occur, base it on the sun, choose which days it runs. You can choose other smart home devices like motion sensors and cameras to trigger it. You can set a geofence trigger, which is based on your phone's arrival to or departure from a location. You can also program all of these triggers to work on specific days and time zones. Then there's of course the actions, what happens because of the trigger. And this is where you can get really creative. There are so many different actions to choose from. Here are some of them. You can program Alexa to say things, like a personalized message, tell you the weather, traffic, the news, play some sound effects, or announce something to every Alexa in the home. You can activate Alexa Guard to secure your home, which I explained in the last episode, and you can play a specific song, playlist, or artist. One very powerful tool is the wait function. This allows you to add time in between actions, so theoretically you can have a routine run all day once you activate it. And perhaps most importantly, you can activate your smart home devices, your lights, plugs, scenes, TVs, blinds, and so much more. Now let me show you a routine I built for parents who want to get their kids excited to go to bed.
Alexa, time for bed.
Time for bed. You have 15 minutes.
Over the span of 15 minutes, the lights will change from green to yellow to red to visually show the passage of time. Using the wait tool, every 5 minutes, Alexa will announce how much time is left until bedtime.
10 minutes left until bedtime. Only 5 minutes left until bedtime. 1 minute left, kids. It's time to get in bed.
And when the 15 minutes are over,
15 minutes are now over. Good night, kids.
I've placed the instructions for this routine in the description below. And don't worry, you can easily reorder the actions of any routine whenever you want.
Oh, that's the bell. It is time for recess. A lot of my Alexa routines trigger lighting because lighting is so important for setting the mood throughout the day. They tell you how you should be feeling.
Most of the lights in our home and all of our color-capable ones are Philips Hue.
The fact that I'm able to use Alexa to trigger all of my Hue scenes has been really helpful. And any lighting scenes I create on the Hue app are instantly synced to Alexa, so I can easily program them into my routines. Next episode, I'm going to take an even deeper dive into our Philips Hue lighting around the house and show off some cool accessories and scenes. Now I want to show you some of the Echo products we're using around the house. They come in lots of different shapes and sizes. Some have screens, some have powerful speakers, and others are super tiny. Like the Echo Flex. We're using the Echo Flex as an easy way to put Alexa into smaller areas, like the hallway or a spare bedroom. It's small and plugs right into the outlet. At the bottom of the Echo Flex, there's a USB port for connecting accessories. First, there's the motion sensor that you can program to trigger something when it senses movement. There's also a cute little nightlight. I really wish there was a way to plug both the motion sensor and nightlight into one so that you could have them work together. For places where we want a stronger speaker, but compact size, we're using an Echo Dot. We've installed them into these devices that keep the wiring clean. I like having these in the bathroom because I can play the music on it when I'm in the shower and get my NPR fix when I'm getting ready for the day. Amazon also has Echo products with screens that unlock other features and capabilities and give you a really nice view of your Alexa, like this, the Echo Show.
This is the larger 10-inch screen and the Echo Show 5, which is 5 inches. There's also the Echo Show 8, which, you guessed it, has an 8-inch screen. We placed our Echo Show in the kitchen for a few reasons. First, we can quickly find recipes.
Alexa, show me a recipe for granola.
Okay, for granola, here's a few recipes.
Then we can add items to our shopping list, edit the list, and we can even ask Alexa to print it out with our Alexa compatible printer. And immediately after we shot this, we ran out of ink and we were sent an email reminding us to buy a refill. The screen also gives you a great display for controlling your smart home devices and routines. You can also watch video content from a few different providers, including Amazon Prime Video. My favorite feature, hands down, is the ability to call anyone on your phone's contact list. They don't even have to have an Echo device. You can also drop in on anyone's Echo device inside or out of your home.
Hey, what you doing over there?
Oh, just maintenance.
Both sharing your contacts and drop-in are opt-in features, which can be accessed on the app. And Amazon has implemented lots of privacy settings. The Echo Show 5 and 8 allow you to easily close the camera, and you can turn off the Echo Shows with one tap. The Echo Show also has really great security camera integration, which you can check out in last week's episode.
Max, I'm over here. In the living room, we've got some really high quality Echo devices, the Echo Studios on both sides of the TV, and those are connected as left and right speakers. We've also connected them to an Echo sub for some extra bass.
Syncing these 3 speakers is incredibly easy. Just tap the plus sign in the top right corner, select Setup Audio System, then choose Stereo Pair. Tap on all 3 speakers, and then assign which studios you would like to use as the left and right speakers. You can also connect the speakers to the Fire TV Cube I showed off in the first episode.
Even better is we can connect all of the Echo devices throughout the house and create a multi-room setup. That allows us to control the audio levels of every room in the house and play the same song throughout every room.
Setting this up is just as easy. This time, select multi-room music. From there, select the speakers and pairs you would like to include. Give the music group a name, and presto! You can control the music and audio for every device right from your phone. And you can see what's playing or control the music from your Echo Show.
I absolutely love having these controls on the Echo Show. And guess what, people? Amazon and I are partnering up to give away 3 Echo Shows. Is that right, Max?
That's right, Justin. We want to hear what your favorite Alexa routine is, or if you win, what the first routine you program will be. Head to Justin Tech's Twitter to find out details on how to enter. Back to you, Justin.
Thanks, Max. I hope this video has given you a glimpse into the smart home possibilities using Alexa, and you know what? I have barely scratched the surface. Every Thursday, I'll explore the smart home even further with Alexa as my sous chef in the smart kitchen and powering our Philips Hue light setup. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, click that bell for alerts so you never miss it when a video comes out. And if you guys learned something new today or you giggled at least once, give it a like. I'm Justin, and I'll tech you later. Alexa, play my outro graphic.
Okay.
And action.
Oh, he doesn't know the code.
Okay, I'm coming.